Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC stands for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical Economic Cooperation. This is really very important topic for your prelims and mains. Here you can see an emblem of BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC Secretariat is located at Dhaka, that is in Bangladesh. Try to find out this location in Atlas. The official language of BIMSTEC is English. So when BIMSTEC members held summits, they speak in English language only. So official language is English. Coming to establishment, it was established on 6th June 1997. You need to remember this year. It was established by Bangkok Declaration. So BIMSTEC was established by Bangkok Declaration. Members of BIMSTEC. This is very important. Members of BIMSTEC are India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, and Sri Lanka. Here you can see map. Try to remember the locations of the member nations of BIMSTEC. Coming to leadership of the nations. Leadership is rotated in alphabetical order of the nations. That means from A, B, C, D, alphabetical order. So the leadership is rotated in alphabetical order of the countries. That is BIMSTEC members. Now, summits of BIMSTEC, where they were held. First summit of BIMSTEC was held in Thailand. This is very important. Second summit was held in India. At the time, Manmohan Singh was Prime Minister of India. So second summit of BIMSTEC was held in India under the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Third summit was held in Myanmar. Fourth summit of BIMSTEC was held in Nepal. Fifth summit was held in Sri Lanka, but this was held virtually. Fifth summit of BIMSTEC was held in Sri Lanka, that too by virtual summit. From now onwards, India will be a security pillar of BIMSTEC. India will be a security pillar of BIMSTEC. Recently, our Prime Minister called for FTA agreement among the nations. What is FTA? FTA means free trade agreement. So, PM called for a FTA, this agreement among the member countries. Under a new charter, members of this BIMSTEC should meet at least once in every 2 years. They should meet at least once in every 2 years. Coming to population, BIMSTEC population is 22% of the world's population. It accounts 22% of the world population. Now, GDP. GDP stands for gross domestic product. It is $2.7 trillion. Now, it has an emblem, flag, and also an international personality. So from now onwards, BIMSTEC will have an emblem, flag, and also an international personality. So Here, try to remember this GDP, that is $2.7 trillion, and also a population, 22% of world's population. That's all about BIMSTEC. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and also share this video.